Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to solve this type of question in a right way. Many people, what they do, they cancel out the 3 with 3 and the 9 with 9 and their answer is 1, which is a wrong answer and the wrong approach. The right approach is to, when same operation given multiple times in fraction, then solve the numerator and denominator separately. So first 9 divided by 3 divided by 3, we can write 9 divided by 3 divided by 3. So this cancel out gives 3 and 3 divided by 3 as 1. Now denominator is 3 divided by 3 divided by 9. So 3 divided by 3 divided by 9. So this becomes 1 divided by 9, that is 1 by 9. Now write the numerator and denominator. Numerator is 1 and denominator is 1 by 9. So we'll take 1 in denominator of 9. So we have to multiply the inner with inner and the outer with outer. So 1 times 1 by 1 times 9. So what is the final answer? 1 by 9, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.